Good morning! So, mga katenshi, nandito tayo sa ating shop. So, makikita nyo sa likod ko yung different kinds ng conveyor system. Meron tayong roller, PVC, and modular conveyor. So, welcome to my May's podcast. Ang podcast natin, pag-uusapan natin for today's video is real problem, real people, real solution. So, I have a client na nag-work sa warehouse logistic company somewhere there in Parañaque, and then we conduct assessment sa kanilang warehouse. They are looking for a flexible roller conveyor which is ginagawa ni Tenshi Technology. So, matagal na itong ginagawa ni Tenshi Technology, and we can guarantee na quality ang flexible roller conveyor namin. Wala akong nakikita sa marketplace in Facebook or in other social media platform na nagbebenta ng flexible roller conveyor. Ang kagandahan kasi ng flexible roller conveyor is hindi siya naka-fix. Kaya nga ate may flexible, diba? Kaya siya tinawag na flexible kasi meron siyang gulong sa ilalim. At the same time, it is extendable. Ibig sabihin, napapahaba siya. Kung ang measurement na kailangan mo is 1 meter, ang flexible roller conveyor is, pag hindi siya na-extend, aabot siya ng 500 meters or 0.5. So, imagine yung space, half ng space ang matitipid mo once you ordered flexible roller conveyor. So, eto nga, si client, nag-inquire sa akin last month. Naghahanap siya ng flexible roller conveyor kasi fast moving ang kanilang warehouse. So, from time to time, ang dami nilang deliveries, and most of the time talagang napaka-bigat ng mga deliveries namin. So, real people, this person works in a warehouse logistic company kung saan naghahanap ng flexible roller conveyor. Real problem. Ang problem nila is yung space. Ayaw nila ng sobrang nakakatakot ng space. Once you chose kasi yung fixed type na gravity roller conveyor is hindi mo, naka-fix na siya, nandun na siya. Hindi mo na siya pwedeng i-adjust, tanggalin sa area na yun. Nakandun na siya. Kaya, this customer chose or pinili niya yung flexible para any moment, pwede niya malipat. And also, yung area nila, yung loading and unloading area nila is hindi fixed. So, they have, I think, 3 malalaking gate kung saan doon nila ginagawa yung loading and unloading area. And at the same time, ang lalaki talaga ng truck na nakita namin. Sobrang dami talaga. So, hindi lang siya space saver, at the same time talagang makakatulong sa empleyado. Kasi we all know, we as a human, hindi naman tayo talaga, pagkapasok mo, yes, malakas ka, and then after so many buhat, yan, mababawasan na yung strength natin. So, it is very advisable na gumamit ng flexible roller conveyor kasi nga, to save energy, diba? Ang hirap talaga. Ako, I worked before sa company kung saan manual lifting is our daily activity, and ranas ko ang hirap, nakakapagod talaga. But this employer, ang kagandahan ng employer nito is may maganda siyang puso. Magandang puso kung saan iniisip niya yung ikabubuti ng empleyado niya na ayaw niya sobrang mapagod. Plus, yung health ng niya, syempre yung pagbubuhat. There is a tendency pag nagkamali ka ng buhat, nako, sobrang sakit sa likod niyan. So, it's a win-win decision for the employer. Yung employer, makakatapid siya ng space. At the same time, makakasave siya ng money. Why? Because it can save from 40 to 50% ng manpower cost is mababawasan. Imagine, let's say you have a 5 meter from your warehouse papunta sa unloading area and you hire 10 people. But when you have a roller conveyor, you can hire half of it. Pwedeng 5 or 6 person na lang i-hire mo. Kasi yung dalawa, pwedeng nasa dulo, Tapos yung dalawa nandun sa dulo, and then yung dalawa nandun mismo sa truck. Di ba? Instead of 10 employee, 6 na lang employee with the help of our roller conveyor. So, if you are interested sa aming roller conveyor, it is made of stainless steel. So, we can guarantee it is durable, it is hygienic, anti-corrosion. Hindi siya basta-basta nangangalawang. So, if you are interested, kindly send me a message sa aking Viber. So, that's it. See you on my next video. Bye. And God bless.